dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Have you ever pondered about the future of medical technology? How about a world where the human heart can be regulated by the power of light? Fascinating, isn't it? Today, we delve into the realm of the light-powered pacemaker, an innovation that is not only transforming the medical field, but also redefining the way we think about energy and the human body. Let's embark on a journey to understand this technology in the simplest terms. The light-powered pacemaker, a brainchild of the University of Chicago, is a device that uses light to control the rhythm of the heart. But how does it work? Imagine a solar-powered calculator. It harnesses light energy and converts it into electrical energy to perform calculations. Now, replace the calculator with a heart, and you've pretty much got the concept of a light-powered pacemaker. This device contains light-sensitive proteins that, when illuminated, generate a tiny electric current. This current then stimulates the heart to contract and beat. And the source of this light, a tiny implantable LED that's powered by a wireless energy transmitter outside the body. The key takeaways about the light-powered pacemaker are indeed captivating. First, it's powered by light, a clean and renewable source of energy. This eliminates the need for battery replacements, a common concern with traditional pacemakers. Second, it can be implanted without opening the chest. Instead, it's delivered to the heart through a vein in the leg, making the procedure less invasive and reducing recovery time. Third, the light-powered pacemaker has the potential to offer more precise control over the heart's rhythm. This is due to the ability to adjust the intensity and frequency of the light, providing more nuanced regulation of heartbeats. And finally, this technology opens up a new world of possibilities for other light-sensitive therapies, perhaps even paving the way for a future where light can heal. As we step into the future, the light-powered pacemaker shines brightly, illuminating the path to a new era in medical technology. Remember, the future of medicine isn't just in the hands of doctors and scientists, but also in the power of light.
Cherish knowledge, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.